If you've ever opened your wardrobe, stared at everything you have hanging in there, and thought, I have nothing to wear while staring at a wardrobe full of clothes, this video is for you. Or maybe you've decided that you want to start dressing better. You've opened to YouTube, to Google, and suddenly there's 1,000 different opinions, capsule wardrobes, color theory, style archetypes, investment pieces, and you've gone from zero to overwhelmed in about 4 minutes. I've been there. Most men have been there. See, here's what I want you to know before we go even further. Style is not complicated. It has been made to feel complicated by brands, by magazines, by people who want you to feel like you need their specific product or their specific opinion to get it right. There are a handful of fundamentals that explain about 80% of why some men look great and others don't. And once you understand those, everything clicks. That's what this video is. Step by step. No jargon, no overwhelm. Just the things that actually matter in the order they actually matter. So, let's start from zero. Forget everything you think style is. The first thing I want to do is clear something up because it's the reason why most men don't even try. Style is not fashion. Those are two different things. Fashion is the industry. It's seasonal trends, runway shows, $400 sneakers, and what's in this month. Fashion changes constantly and on purpose, I must say, because the industry makes money when they make you feel like what you own is already outdated. With that out of the way, what then is style? Style is personal. It is consistent. It's a consistent, intentional way of presenting yourself that reflects who you are. It doesn't expire and it doesn't require a new wardrobe every season. And it doesn't require spending a lot of money. The men you look at and think he always looks good, they are not following fashion. They've figured out their style. They know what works for their body, their life, and their personality. And so they repeat it reliably every single day. That's the target, really. Not to look like a model, not to own the most expensive things, just to look consistently, intentionally good for your life. And that's achievable by any man at any budget starting today. So here is the step by step 5 steps. Do them in order. That's important because each one builds on the last. Step 1. Get clear on your life. This step sounds simple, but many men skip it. And it's why they end up with a wardrobe full of things they never wear. Before you buy any single thing, get clear on your actual life. Where do you go most days? What do you actually do? If you work in an office, your wardrobe needs are different from someone who works from home. If you spend weekends outdoors, that's different from someone who goes to dinners and events. If you're a student, that's different again. You see, style only works when it fits your life. A capsule wardrobe built for a finance executive won't work for a creative freelancer. Buying investment pieces for occasions you never have is just expensive clutter. So before anything else, take 5 minutes and think about your week. Where do you go? What do you do? What situations do you need to dress for? Write down your top 3 situations. That's your brief. Everything you build from here on should answer those 3 situations first. Step 2. Understand fit before anything else. This step is the most important, I'll say, in this entire video. If you take nothing else away, take this one. Fit is everything. A well-fitted shirt from a supermarket will always look better than a badly fitted shirt from a designer. Always, no exceptions. Fit is what separates men who look put together from men who look like they just got dressed. I have a full video on fit on this channel and I'll link it somewhere for you to take a look. But here's the short version. When you try something on, check 3 different things. 1, that the shoulder seam sits at the very edge of your shoulder, not dropping down your arm. 2, that the fabric follows your body through the chest and torso without pulling or billowing. 3, that your trouser hems sit just at the top of your shoe with a slight break and not stacking on the floor. These 3 checks will tell you more than any size label. And here's the part most beginners don't know. Almost anything can be altered by a tailor for less than you think. So find a tailor near you. Bring the clothes that you already own that are almost right and let him or her fix it. It's the fastest, cheapest upgrade you can make to your wardrobe right now. Step 3, build a base, not a full wardrobe. This is where beginners make their biggest mistake. They try to build an entire wardrobe at once. Don't. You don't need everything. You need a base, a small set of versatile pieces that work together and cover your core situations from step 1. Here's what a solid base looks like for most men. 5 to 8 pieces that you can mix and match and build from. A few well-fitted tees in neutral colors like white, gray, black, navy. These go under everything and work well on their own. 1 or 2 Oxford button-down shirts, tagged or untagged, smart or casual. That's the most versatile piece in menswear. A pair of dark, straight-leg jeans with no distressing. You see, dark denim bridges the gap between casual and smart better than almost everything else. Chinos in a neutral, navy, stone, or olive. These are more polished than jeans without needing a full suit. Then you'll also need 1 casual layer, an unstructured blazer, a bomber jacket, or a clean overshirt. This is what takes an outfit from simple to intentional. Then you can add clean, simple shoes like a white leather sneaker or a plain loafer. They cover most casual situations. A Chelsea boot covers everything else. That's it. That's your foundation. You don't need 30 pieces. No, you need 8 great ones that fit your situation. That is your life and fit your body. Start there and build from it slowly. And please resist the urge of buying everything all at once. 1 good piece beats 5 mediocre items every single time. Step 4, keep color simple. Step 4 is the one that trips people up most online because everyone makes it sound so complicated. Color theory, seasonal palettes, undertones. That's a lot. Here is a simple version that works for 90% of men. Start with neutrals. Navy, gray, white, black, stone, olive. These colors go with each other almost automatically. If your wardrobe is built on neutrals, you will never have to get dressed in the morning and struggle to put an outfit together. It just works. That's it. Neutrals are your base. Add 1 or 2 accents you love. That is a color strategy that works for beginners and experienced dressers alike. The reason this matters so early is that if you build your wardrobe with neutrals, every new piece you add will naturally fit what you already own. You won't end up with the headache of having clothes that have nothing to pair with. Step number 5, dress for who you are becoming. This is the last step, and this is less about clothes and more about mindset, but it matters. Most men wait until they feel confident to start dressing better. They think, oh, when I lose the weight, When I get that promotion, when I'm in a different situation, then I'll invest in how I look. It's the wrong order because how you present yourself affects how you feel. It affects how other people respond to you. It affects how you carry yourself in a room. The upgrade happens first in the clothes and then confidence follows, not the other way around. So you don't have to wait to have the body. You don't have to wait to have the money either. And you definitely don't have to wait until you have everything figured out. Start where you are with what you have and make one small intentional upgrade. One better fitting shirt, one pair of trousers that actually fits, one pair of shoes you are proud of. That's how it starts. And once it starts, it compounds. So let's recap the 5 steps. One, get clear on your actual life and what situations you are dressing for. Two, fit is everything. Learn the 3 checks and find a tailor. Three, build a base of 8 versatile pieces, not a full wardrobe overnight. Four, start with neutrals. Add one or two accents you love. Five, start now. Dress for who you are becoming, not who you need to be first. Now, if you even want to go deeper on these things, I have a free ebook link in the description below or in my bio that will move you from average to stylish. You can grab it for free. And if this video helped you in any way, you can like and subscribe. I put out content like this every single week. And there's a lot more where these came from. Also, drop a comment below and tell me which step you are starting with. I read every single one of them. And I genuinely want to know where you are at. You've already done the hard part. You've decided to start. The rest is just steps. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoy this other one as well. I'll see you in the next video. Stay dapper.